Staying up late is not good for health at all. Many people today stay up late at night because of work, study, or even entertainment. Some think it's harmless, especially if they sleep in the next morning. But the truth is, staying up late regularly can harm your health in many ways. Our bodies are not designed to stay awake through the night. We have something called a biological clock or circadian rhythm that tells us when it's time to sleep and when it's time to be awake. Ignoring this natural cycle can cause serious problems for your body and mind. Let's explore why staying up late is not good for your health at all. 1. It weakens your immune system. When you stay up late, especially if you get less sleep, your immune system becomes weaker. The immune system is what protects your body from germs and diseases. People who don't get enough sleep are more likely to get sick, especially with colds, flu, or infections. When you sleep, your body produces substances that fight illness. Without enough sleep, your body can't make these substances properly. If you often stay up late, your body becomes tired, and it can't fight off viruses and bacteria as well. This means you may get sick more often and take longer to heal. 2. It harms your brain and memory. Sleep is not just about resting your body. It's also important for your brain. While you sleep, your brain organizes and stores information. This helps you remember things better, stay focused, and solve problems more easily. If you stay up late and don't get enough sleep, your brain doesn't get time to do this work. You may feel forgetful, confused, or have trouble concentrating. Over time, poor sleep habits can even lead to serious memory problems or mental health issues like anxiety and depression. Students who stay up late to study may think they are being productive, but they often find it harder to remember what they studied the next day. 3. It increases the risk of heart problems. Sleep is very important for your heart. While you sleep, your heart rate and blood pressure go down, which gives your heart a chance to rest. But if you stay up late and sleep too little, your heart doesn't get this rest. This puts stress on your heart and blood vessels. People who often sleep less than 6 hours a night have a higher risk of high blood pressure, heart attacks, and strokes. So, if you care about your heart health, going to bed early is one of the best things you can do. 4. It can lead to weight gain. Many people who stay up late tend to eat more snacks, especially unhealthy ones like chips, candy, or fast food. Late-night snacking adds extra calories to your diet. Also, when you stay up late, your body produces more of the hormone ghrelin, which makes you feel hungry, and less leptin, which makes you feel full. This can make you eat more than you need. Staying up late also reduces your energy the next day, so you might not feel like exercising. All of these factors can lead to weight gain over time. 5. It affects your mood and mental health. Lack of sleep from staying up late can make you feel moody, stressed, and even depressed. People who don't sleep enough are more likely to feel sad, angry, or anxious. It's hard to control your emotions when you're tired. You may get irritated easily or feel hopeless. Good sleep is important for mental health. Going to bed late and waking up tired day after day can affect how you feel about life, relationships, and even your self-confidence. 6. It reduces your productivity and performance. You may think staying up late helps you finish more work or get more things done, but in reality, lack of sleep reduces your ability to work well. Your brain doesn't work as fast, your attention is lower, and you make more mistakes. Whether you are working, studying, or doing simple tasks, tiredness from staying up late will slow you down. When you get enough sleep, you'll think better, work faster, and feel more motivated. A well-rested mind is much more powerful than a tired one. 7. It disrupts your natural body clock. Humans are made to be active during the day and sleep at night. When you stay up late and sleep during the day, your circadian rhythm becomes confused. This can affect your digestion, energy levels, hormone balance, and even body temperature. Your body works best when it has a regular sleep-wake schedule. Sleeping late and waking late every day makes your body confused and tired. It also makes it harder to fall asleep when you want to, creating a bad cycle that is hard to break. It may cause eye and skin problems. Staying up late, especially when looking at screens, phones, computers, or TVs, can cause eye strain, dry eyes, and blurry vision. Your eyes need rest, and sleep gives them time to recover. Without enough sleep, your eyes can feel irritated or even painful. Your skin also suffers when you don't sleep enough. You may notice dark circles under your eyes, dull skin, or more pimples. This is because sleep is the time your skin repairs itself. Staying up late can speed up aging and make you look tired all the time. It makes you feel tired the next day. This may sound obvious, but one of the worst effects of staying up late is simply being tired the next day. You may need coffee or energy drinks to stay awake. You may feel sleepy in the morning, struggle to get out of bed, or feel low energy all day. Being tired makes everything harder, from going to school or work to spending time with family or friends. Life feels more difficult when you are always sleepy. In conclusion, staying up late is not good for your health at all. It affects your body, your brain, your mood, your heart, your weight, your productivity, and even your appearance. While an occasional late night might be okay, making it a habit can lead to long-term health problems. If you want to be healthier, happier, and more successful, one of the best things you can do is to go to bed early and get enough sleep every night. Make it a priority, just like eating well or exercising. Your body and mind will thank you for it. 10. Long-term effects can be serious. While staying up late once in a while might not cause big problems, doing it regularly over months or years can seriously damage your health. Long-term sleep problems have been linked to chronic diseases like diabetes, obesity, heart disease, high blood pressure, and even cancer. The World Health Organization has stated that people who work night shifts and regularly go against their body clocks have a higher risk of certain cancers, such as breast and prostate cancer. Why? Because sleeping at the wrong time changes how your hormones work. For example, melatonin, a hormone that helps control sleep, is also important for protecting cells from damage. If melatonin production is reduced due to late-night lights and screen time, your body may become more vulnerable to disease. In today's fast-moving world, many people believe they must stay up late to catch up on work, watch their favorite shows, chat with friends, or finish studying. While this might feel productive or enjoyable at the moment, the truth is very different. Staying up late, especially if it becomes a habit, is one of the worst things you can do to your health. Your body needs rest at night to repair, recover, and prepare you for a new day. Nature designed the human body to sleep during the night and wake up in the morning. Ignoring this natural schedule can lead to serious health problems, physically, mentally, and emotionally. That's why you should never stay up late unless it is truly necessary. Your body has a natural sleep clock. Every person has an internal clock, also known as the circadian rhythm, which tells the body when to feel sleepy and when to feel alert. This rhythm follows the cycle of daylight and darkness. When the sun sets, your body begins to produce melatonin, a hormone that helps you feel sleepy. Staying up late disrupts this natural cycle. Artificial lights, screens, noise, and stress confuse your brain. Instead of winding down at night, your body stays alert, and your health suffers. Going to bed late tricks your body into thinking it's still daytime. Over time, this can weaken your immune system, stress your heart, damage your brain, and cause emotional problems. Harm to the heart and circulation. One of the most dangerous effects of staying up late is its impact on your heart. While you sleep, your heart rate and blood pressure drop, giving your heart a chance to rest. But if you stay awake too long, this resting period is shortened or skipped. Studies show that people who sleep late and get less than 6 hours of sleep regularly have a much higher risk of high blood pressure, heart attacks, and strokes. The heart is one of your most important organs. Without rest, it becomes weaker and more likely to develop disease. So if you want a strong, healthy heart, staying up late is something you must avoid. It weakens your immune system. Your immune system keeps you healthy by fighting off viruses and bacteria. But when you stay up late, your body doesn't get enough time to repair and produce infection-fighting cells. This is why people who sleep less are more likely to catch colds, suffer from allergies, and take longer to recover from sickness. In some cases, poor sleep habits can even increase your risk of developing long-term diseases like diabetes or autoimmune problems. If you care about staying strong and free from illness, sleep is your best defense. Staying up late can lead to depression and anxiety. You may think that staying up late gives you more time to relax or finish your tasks, but in truth, it often increases stress and leads to emotional problems. The human brain needs sleep to manage emotions and balance mental health. Lack of sleep causes the brain to become overwhelmed. You may feel more anxious, frustrated, or sad. Even small problems might seem huge when you're sleep-deprived. People who stay up late often report feeling more moody and irritable, less motivated and focused, lonely and disconnected, stressed for no clear reason. Over time, this can lead to anxiety, depression, or even burnout. That's why doctors and psychologists recommend getting a full night's sleep as part of caring for your mental health. Skin problems and early aging. If you want glowing, youthful skin, don't stay up late. While you sleep, your skin works to repair itself. It produces collagen, which keeps your skin smooth, and increases blood flow to remove toxins. Staying up late prevents this natural process. People who sleep less often develop dark circles under the eyes, puffy, tired-looking skin, more acne and breakouts, fine lines and wrinkles. Your skin reflects your inner health. Late nights show up on your face in the form of dullness, tiredness, and faster aging, poor focus, and learning trouble. When you stay up late, your brain doesn't get the time it needs to store and organize information. Sleep is when your brain processes everything you've learned. If you don't sleep, it's harder to remember, think clearly, or solve problems. This is especially important for students. Many students believe they can stay up late to study before exams, but this actually reduces memory and makes it harder to understand information. If you want to succeed in school or work, sleep is more powerful than late-night cramming. Going to bed early helps your brain work at its best the next day. Staying up late causes bad habits. People who stay up late are more likely to make unhealthy choices, such as snacking on junk food, drinking caffeine or sugary drinks, skipping breakfast, missing morning exercise. Oversleeping and being late nights throw off your whole daily routine. You wake up tired, rush through your day, and depend on sugar or coffee to stay awake. Then the cycle repeats, and your health gets worse over time. Final message: value your sleep. Never think that staying up late is harmless. It has real, lasting effects on your body and mind. It takes away your strength, slows down your thinking, damages your heart, and weakens your spirit. Instead, choose to care for yourself. Sleep is not wasted time. It is healing time. When you go to bed early and wake up refreshed, you feel alive and ready to face the world. Let this be your new promise. I will never stay up late unless I truly must. I will protect my sleep, because my health is too important to lose. Start tonight. Turn off the lights. Breathe deeply. Sleep peacefully. Your healthy future begins with one good night's sleep. Staying up late. A dangerous habit that grows quietly. One of the scariest things about staying up late is how quietly the damage grows. You may stay up late one night and feel a little tired the next day. Then you do it again and again. Over weeks and months, your body adjusts to less rest. But that's not a good thing. It's adapting to a broken routine. Here's what might happen. You stop feeling tired at night because your natural sleep rhythm is confused. You begin waking up later, but still feel groggy or anxious. You find yourself eating at odd hours, usually unhealthy snacks. Your skin looks dull. Your eyes have dark circles. You get headaches, neck pain, or backaches more often. You feel sad or irritated for no reason. The worst part is, many people don't even notice the damage until it's too late. Final words. Make sleep a priority. Never forget, your body is a temple. Your mind is a garden. And your sleep is the water that keeps it all alive. Never stay up late for no reason. Never trade your health for a few more hours of distraction. Protect your nights like you protect your dreams, because your future depends on it. So tonight, go to bed early. Not because you have to, but because you deserve to. You are not just resting. You are healing, growing, and preparing to shine tomorrow.